MCQ on numerical and statistical methods. The first question, every square matrix A of order n with entries as real or complex numbers, then the number is called the determinant of matrix A. If capital A is of order m cross n, then A transpose is of order that must be n cross m. If capital A is any square matrix of order n, then the determinant of k into A, that means k is a constant. Suppose we have a square matrix. We have considering the square matrix A has 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have 5 into A. That means 5 is here considered as small k. So that one is equal to, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, as A is a matrix. So the determinant is 5 into 20 minus 10 into 15, or 100 minus 150, or that one is minus 50. Then we have the determinant of A, that one is equal to 1 into 4, 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, or that is 4 minus 6 or minus 2. So that one, if we consider k square, that means 5 square into determinant of A, that one giving us 5 square into minus 2, or that is 25 into minus 2, or minus 50. So obviously the answer must be k to the power n with multiplication of determinant. If the determinant of 0, 1, 0, x 2, x, 1, 3, x is equal to 0, then x is equal to. So we can consider 0 into 2x, 3x minus 1 into x, x, 1x, then plus 0 into x, 2, 1, 3. That one is equal to 0. So finally we can get only that portion, the second, and we have minus x square minus x is equal to 0, or we can write x square minus x is equal to 0, or x minus 1 into x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or 1. So here we can say the answer is 1. The sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix is called, obviously, the trace. Next question, 0 is a characteristic root of a matrix if and only if the matrix is the singular matrix. That means the determinant of the matrix is equal to 0, then we can say the matrix is a singular matrix. The product of all eigenvalues of A is the determinant of A. If the eigenvalue of the matrix 1, minus 2, minus 4, 5 is, the answer must be minus 1, 6. Next one, dash gives for computing the inverse of a square matrix. So which one? Now that one is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, gives for computing the inverse of a square matrix. Question number 110. If the eigenvalue of 1, 2, 4, 3, That means we have to find out the eigenvalue of 1, 2, 4, 3. So the steps involved in the finding of eigenvalue. Let's the first step is we are considering the matrix as capital A. Then we are considering the second step, that is A minus lambda I, where I is the identity matrix. As usual, the A matrix is of order 2. Then we are considering the identity matrix as of order 2. So we are getting 1, 2, 4, 3 minus, that is lambda 0, 0, lambda, or we are getting that one as 1 minus lambda 2 and 4, 3 minus lambda. Now the next step, we have to find out the determinant of that particular matrix. That means we are getting 1 minus lambda 2, 4, 3 minus lambda, or we are getting that one as lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 minus 8. Now the fourth step involved that we are considering lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 0, or we are getting lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0, or we can say lambda square minus 5 lambda plus lambda minus 5 is equal to 0, or that one lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 5 is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to minus 1 comma 5. So the answer is minus 1 comma 5. The latent roots of a dash matrix are just the diagonal elements of the matrix. Now, what is the meaning of latent roots? Latent root means a quantity. That is a quantity which, when subtracted from each entry in the diagonal of a square matrix, makes the determinant of the resulting matrix equal to 0. So obviously here the answer would be the triangular. Next, the latent roots of a dash matrix are of unit modules. So here the latent roots of a orthogonal matrix are of unit modules. A measure of dash is a typical value around which other figures congregate, and the answer would be the central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a typical value around which other figures congregate. Next question. Dash can be determined in two ways, by inspection and by grouping methods. The mode can be determined in two ways, by inspection and by grouping methods. In dash, given observations are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. That means the answer must be median. In median, given observations are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Dash is capable of being treated mathematically and is used in statistical analysis. The arithmetic mean is capable of being treated mathematically and is used in statistical analysis. Dash is often computed when quick estimates of average are desired. And here the median. The median is often computed when quick estimates of average are desired. Next question. Dash is used in the construction of index numbers and the answer is the geometric mean is used in construction of index numbers. The mean and mode values are 42.2 and 41.3. Then the median value is, now we know that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So we can say that 41.3 is equal to 3 median minus 2 into 42.2, or we have 3 median is equal to 41.3 plus 84.4 or 125.7, or median is obviously 125.7 upon 3, or that is 41.9. Next question, for any two positive numbers, geometric mean is equal to practically the square root of arithmetic mean into the harmonic mean. Next question, in a simple harmonic mean, we have capital N upon summation of Fi, that is the frequency, upon the Xi. If A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3 and 0, 4, 5, then minus 3A, that must be 3 minus, sorry, that must be minus 3 plus 6 minus 9 and 0 minus 12 and minus 15. So that is minus 3, 6, minus 9, 0, minus 12. Here that must be minus 15. So that is the answer. Transpose of A transpose is obviously the matrix itself. Determinant of AB is equal to the determinant of A into determinant of B. Next question, A minus B, A plus B is equal to, if we consider the multiplication, then we are getting that one as minus B square. If we think about that, that is A minus B into A plus B minus A square, or A square minus B square minus A square, or the result is minus B square. Question number 126. 2, 1, 3, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 1, 0. So if we consider the calculation, that is 2 of, that is 6 minus 1, 1, 0, then minus 1 of 4 minus 1, 5, 0, and plus 3 of 4, 6, 5, 1, or that is 2 into 0 plus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 5 plus 3, 4 minus 30, or here that one is 2 minus 5 minus 78, or the result is minus 81. Next question, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 4, then A square. That means we have to multiply the A with the A itself. So 1, 2, 3 minus 4 into 1, 2, 3 minus 4. That means we are getting 1 plus 6, 2 minus 8, 3 minus 12, and 6 plus 16. Or the result is here 7 minus 6 minus 9, 22. And here the answer is that one. Every polynomial equation of the nth degree has n number of roots. A polynomial of the form y is equal to a plus bx is called a straight line. Gauss-Jacobi method is a indirect method. Matrix A is of order 2 cross 3 and B is of order 3 cross 2. Then A cross B is of order, that means A 2 cross 3 cross B 3 cross 2. As the column of the matrix A is 3 is equal to the row of the matrix B, then the matrix multiplication is possible. Then the multiplied product would be with the order 2 cross 2. So here the answer must be 2 cross 2. Question number 132. For studying phenomena like intelligence and density, dash is a better average to be used. And here the answer is the median. That means for studying phenomena like intelligence and density, median is a better average to be used. The dash is useful when data are given in terms of rates. And the answer is the harmonic mean. The harmonic mean is useful when data are given in terms of rates. Next question, in discrete frequency distribution, the total number of observations n is equal to the summation of f. When the relationship is of a quantitative nature, the appropriate statistical tool for discovering and measuring the relationship and the expressing the brief formula is known as the correlation. Once again, when the relationship is of a quantitative nature, the appropriate statistical tool for discovering and measuring the relationship and expressing the brief formula is known as the correlation. The dash correlation was developed by Spearman, and that is known as the rank correlation was developed by Spearman. The ranks are according to two attributes in a samples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rank correlation between them is -1. While drawing a scatter diagram, if all points appear to form a straight line going downward from left to right, then it is inferred that there is no correlation. Dash correlation implies real relationship between the variables, and the answer is the spurious. The spurious correlation implies real relationship between the variables. Correct. Summation x is equal to incorrect summation x minus wrong item plus the correct item. The real number x when added to its inverse gives the minimum value of the sum at x equal to, that is 1. The degree and order of the differential equation of the family of all parabolas whose axis is x-axis are respectively 1, 2. What is the value of factorial 0? And it is obviously the 1. Let capital Y is equal to small a capital X plus small b be the straight line equation, then the normal equations are dash and dash, and the answer is summation of capital Y is equal to small a summation of capital X plus small n into small b, and summation of capital XY is equal to small a summation of capital X square plus small b into summation of capital X. Next question. Newton forward interpolation formula for the first three terms will be identical with the formula for the parabolic interpolation. Now, if h is equal to 2, find the value of y when x is equal to 5 by Newton forward interpolation. X and y, and that one 4, 6, 1 3. So delta y is equal to that one 2. H is equal to 2. So P is equal to x minus x0 upon H. So that one is equal to 5 minus 4 by 2 or half. So y5 is equal to y0 plus P of delta y0, or that is 1 plus half of 2, or that is 1 plus 1 or 2. The answer is 2. Rombach's method, capital I is equal to, that means the I2 plus I2 minus I1 divided by 3. In Rangakutta method of second order, the value of delta y is equal to obviously K2. If H is equal to 0.5, find the area of the trapezoidal rule. Here we have x and y, that means 0, 0.5 and 1, and y is equal to 1, 0.8 and 0.5. So obviously that one is the y0, that one y1, that one is the y2. So H is equal to 0.5. So we have the formula delta is equal to 0.5 upon 2 into 1 plus 0.5 plus 2 into 0.8, or we have that is 0.5 by 2 into 3.1, or that is 0.5 into 1.55 or 0.775. So the answer is 0.775. Next question, the area of the Simpson's one-third rule is, now here we can say the first one is the y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So we can write the formula as 0.5 upon 3, as the H is equal to 0.5 into the first one and the last one, that means y0 plus y6 plus 2 into the even, that y2 and y4. So 2.8 plus 3 plus 4 into the odd, y1 plus y3 plus y5. So that means 2.4 plus 2.6 plus 2.7. Now after calculation, we can say the result is nearly equal to 7.73, but the answer is not given here. So we can say the answer is nearly equal to the B, that means 7.7 according to the round off. Cyclic fluctuations are caused by blood wire strike? No, none. The statistical information is expressed in descriptive form? No, the answer must be numerical form. That means the statistical information is expressed in numerical form. Which average is affected most by extreme observations, mean, median, mode or GM? And the answer is the mean. Mean is affected most by extreme observations. If a frequency distribution is positively skewed, the mean of the distribution is dash. That means the greater than the mode or less than the mode or equal to mode or less than the mean. But that answer is greater than the mode. If a frequency distribution is positively skewed, the mean of the distribution is greater than the mode. The trend can be found by the method of least squares if the trend is linear. Sampling errors are present only in sample survey. Dash is the grouping of related facts into classes. Answer is the classification is the grouping of related facts into classes. In dash classification, data are classified on the basis of certain attribute, and that is qualitative. In qualitative classification, data are classified on the basis of certain attribute. In chronological classification, data are classified on the basis of time. The point of intersection of the two ogives is the median. A measure of dash gives a single representative value for a set of usually unequal values, and that is the central tendency. A measure of central tendency gives a single representative value for a set of usually unequal values. Which of the given measures of dispersion is considered the best? Obviously, the standard deviation. In a symmetrical distribution, mean, median, and mode are equal. All the points lie on a line in a scatter diagram when R is equal to 1. The line obtained by the method of least squares is known as the line of best fit. Rank correlation method was developed by Spearman. Dash is the geometric mean of two regression coefficient, and answer is the correlation is the geometric mean of two regression coefficient. Climate and weather conditions cause the seasonal variation. Regression coefficients are affected by change of scale. Median usually lies between the mean and mode. Population census of India is the primary data census method taken decennially. Practically all of the above are true. What is the meaning of decennial? Now, that is recurring every 10 years. Recurring every 10 years. When the coefficient of skewness is 0, the frequency curve is bell-shaped. The word statistics is used as a singular word, a plural word. Practically, both singular and plural words are used in the meaning of statistics. Statistics is a quantitative science. Statistics considers a single item, a set of items, practically a set of items. Statistics can prove anything, disprove anything, neither prove nor disprove anything, but it is just a tool. So practically the answer is here, statistics can neither prove nor disprove anything, but it is just a tool. Statistics can be considered as an art, a science, both an art and a science, neither an art nor a science. Practically both an art and a science. Number of sources of data is, the answer is 2. Practically, there are two types of sources of data. The first one is known as the statistical sources, and it is the data collected for some official purposes. And also include the censuses and surveys. Another one is known as the non-statistical sources, and here data that are collected for other administrative purposes, for any other administrative purposes. Number of methods of collection of primary data is, here practically the answer is 4 or 5, because we have two types of primary data. The first one is known as the quantitative, another one is the qualitative, that is quantitative, and another one is qualitative. For quantitative, there are correlation, there may be mean, there may be median, there may be mode, and there may be regression. And for the qualitative, there is the observation, there is the interview, there is the questionnaire, and also there are the schedules. Next question, number of questions in a questionnaire should be, that is minimum. Sources of secondary data are published sources, unpublished sources, neither published sources nor unpublished sources, both published and unpublished sources. The answer must be both published and unpublished sources. Here we can say for the published, that is, we have technical and trade journals. Technical and trade journals. Another one, that is the government publications. Government publications. For the business documents. Business documents. Another one, public records. Another one, published, that is historical. And for unpublished, that may be the diaries, that may be letters, that may be unpublished biographies, etc. etc. Compared with primary data, secondary data are more reliable, less reliable, equally reliable. No, none of these. Classification is the process of arranging data in grouping of related facts in different classes. Classifying the data on time basis is known as the chronological. Exclusive class intervals suit the continuous variables. Number of class intervals should be between 5 and 20. Column headings are captions. Captions and stubs should be in alphabetical order, chronological order, traditional order, any one of these orders. Particularly, it may be alphabetical, it may be chronological, it may be traditional. Special purpose tables are reference tables, repository tables, summary tables, practically the summary tables. Complex tables are one-way tables, two-way tables, higher order tables, practically two-way or higher order tables. A continuous variable can assume any fractional value. Next question. Diagrams and graphs are tools of the presentation. In a bar diagram, only height is considered. If the cost of a component is rupees 500 and the total cost is rupees 2500, the percentage for representing this in a percentage bar diagram is 20. The shape of pie diagram is circular. Pie diagram is superior to bar diagram as it depicts absolute values. Graphs of frequency distributions are histograms. Calculate arithmetic mean of the daily incomes of 10 families, rupees 10, 90, 85, 103, 11, 29, 84, 50, 35 and 80. So we are adding all those as plus, and after that we are just getting the average, and we are getting the result as 540 upon 10. 542 upon 10. So the result must be 54.2. The arithmetic mean of the values. Once again, just add those values, and we are getting the result after addition, that is 557. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 557 upon 10, that is we are getting 55.7. The arithmetic mean of the values 4, 8, 10, 5, 2 and 6. That means after addition, we are getting the result as 35 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 values. So we are getting the result as 5.83. So we can say the result as 5.8.